What are kettlebells good for? So there's quite a few things right off the top of my head. I think kettlebells are quite possibly the best all-around resistance training tool that you can use for longevity, for athleticism, everything. So now, they're not going to get you maximal strength like a barbell will. So they can increase your ability to train because they're so incredibly fun. They're very portable. You can take them almost anywhere. You don't need a lot of space to use them. There is a little bit of a learning curve at the beginning, but if you take your time, start with the basics of fundamental exercises, you're going to get really good at them after a while. Just don't try to do all sorts of crazy workouts and flows and change. Just stick with the fundamentals. But they're great for endurance. They're great for focus, unilateral work, going back and forth. There's just so much you can do. Balance. It's absolutely wonderful. Kettlebell's always trying to take you to the ground in multiple different planes of motion. So once again, I think they're just fun to use. You just want to pick them up and use them. So that's something that you can be exhilarated by using.